Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my friend's R1 and that's my R1 right there. My battery died on the road. I'll put a clip in a bit. So I caught him fired up. It turns on, the dash comes on, but actually doesn't start. So I'm going to Yamaha. So like the dash comes on. I'm gonna try to start it. It doesn't do anything. I think it's in a gear, but that's it. So it doesn't fire, so I'm not gonna push it too much, but yeah, so that's been happening. I'm gonna go to Yamaha, get a new battery, and I'll probably keep this one as a spare, try to charge it back up, see if it works. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. So I just finished up at Yamaha World and picked up the lithium battery, SBS. So the weight difference is incredible with the lithium and the normal battery. So we'll try to keep this one. All right, so we're gonna install the battery. I don't have my toolkit, but I have issues toolkit. Issue with issues. So we have to work with this. We can see what we can find. I think we have most of the Allen keys and screw for the battery that I need. Should be enough. The battery is quite small compared to the other one, and it's quite light as well. And they give you foam, I think, this is for the spacing. So if the battery is small, you can use those to kind of space it out. Come with the tiny screws as well. So I've already taken this off, but I'm not going to show you the whole process. I mean, pretty much everyone knows how to take the seat off to access the battery. All right, we have finally reached the battery. Oh, this is going to be painful to grab because I have a lot of cables running. So you can see the size difference, how big the battery is. The lithium is so small. So I'm going to put on these two, I guess, sticky blocks. These are kind of for the spacer. I need just to hold the battery in spot. It holds in pretty well. It's not going to move anywhere. So we need to take out this off, this tiny nut from that, and put it underneath there. So like this one that kind of came out. I'm going to take these out. You got to figure this out as well. So basically this tiny nut, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, I'll explain it. So it goes in here and the screw goes on top and it kind of hooks up into that on the side. All right, so that goes in. Yep, there you go, so one is done. Alright, so one's done, we need to do the other one. Alright, this one is done as well. Okay, so the battery's done. Let's see if it fires up. So it was the battery. At least it starts now. Well, the plan was to go to write today, but we can't do that. Everything got canceled just because of the battery. So I'll keep this one for now. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. I've heard not so good things about it. Lithium in winter. I know like there's some sort of temperature you need to maintain. We'll see how it goes. So, bike is done. You may have noticed I've also removed the tank shroud. It's only because I want to put the ceramic coating on, and I didn't want it to skip the tank when I put the ceramic coating on. So I removed that so I can do the ceramic coating and then put the shroud back on. So just in case. But what do you think of the bikes? Which one looks better? Of course black, but so that's my friend's bike. It's a 2022 R1. Hopefully next vlog will be better. This is a try hard vlog. I just use my situation to create a vlog anyways, but thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.